In many treaties, you're going to find Article 2(3), which is a general clause. Now, what this general clause does is, it tells you what are the taxes in each of the contracting states, right? So let's say when you're looking at India, UAE treaty, right? India may have certain forms of taxes. UAE may have some form of taxes. When I look at the treaty, right, which are the taxes which are covered insofar as India is concerned and insofar as UAE is concerned is something which is provided in this general clause. While in various countries this clause may be different, the general structure of this clause is something like this, which says the existing taxes. Now please note the word existing over here. The existing taxes to which the convention shall apply are in particular in the state XYZ. In our case, XYZ stands here for UAE, and then you will have a whole list of taxes. In India, again, you will have a whole list of taxes.